Hi, I'm Patrick Ledwell, an instructional designer here at Holland College. And today we're going to take a quick look at how to include images within your SAM course pages. Including images, it's just a great way to relate to the topic or theme of that particular module, to heighten interest, or even to direct the eye and the progress of the learner through the flow of the material. I've got my sandbox course here, and I'm shaping out the content. One of my first enthralling modules, I'm sure that you're very interested, is called Welcome to Patrick's Course. I don't have anything by way of description yet. I think I'd like to add an image within that area as a starter. Right now it's got more white space than a polar bear in an avalanche, so let's fix that with a compelling image. Maybe the first question is, where can I find a good image that relates to my content? One site where I've found lots of quality images is unsplash.com. It's a large source of freely usable images, which means that those rights are extended for use within your course. It is always good practice and good conscience to credit the organization or photographer where you can. It's also keyword searchable, so I can search for education and have a look at the results. Wow, look at this. It's an apple on a stack of books with some pencil crayons and some blocks. What could be more educationally themed than that? This is a large, high quality display photo, and I'm going to download that for free because that sounds like an excellent cost. That's going to go down to my laptop computer, and I do receive some information about the organization that took that photo or has licensed it. Great idea to credit that if you can. That image is ready for me. Now I may decide that I don't want to use this full display size. I may want to crop out a section of it and also look into what is the overall size of this, both for download and within the display of my page. To edit it, you can use a always installed, pretty easy to use program on your computer called Paint 3D. If you've never used that, you can go to the magnifying glass in the lower left-hand corner of your computer next to the Windows menu and search Paint 3D. And there it is. Paint 3D, if you go to the menu, allows you to browse and find that full-size photo that you downloaded from a site like unsplash.com. There it is in its full size, and I've decided I really only want this segment of that digital photo. So I'll use what's called the crop tool to take it down to just the apple, the books, and the blocks. Once I'm happy with that, I can crop away the rest by clicking Done over here on the right-hand side. I may also want to check how large is this image in terms of its display and its download size. I'm going to go to Canvas at the top that describes how large is this. I can see this in percent, or I'm going to have a look in pixels. It is presently 3,953 pixels wide, which is still quite a big image. I'm going to make sure I have the box clicked Resize Image with Canvas, and I'm going to set that width to 1,150. Everything sizes down accordingly. If you look at Brightspace, Help, or D2L, it's often said that this width, 1,150, is a good maximum display width for full-size web pages. It is a good display size for course management tools like SAM, and it will scale appropriately across various platforms. I'm happy with how this looks, so I'm going to make sure to go up to Menu and save as a new file name so I can identify that edited version for inclusion in our course page. I'll call it Apple and Books. You'll notice the file type by default is JPEG.jpg, which is a great digital image format for use within our web pages. I hit save, and that modified version of it is now available to me. So it's back to SAM that we go. I'm on Welcome to Patrick's Course, and I'm going to add that image within the module description. So clicking in there, I see an icon that's a camera which stands for Insert Image. The image is right now on my computer, and I want to put it into the course offering files. First, I have to find it. I'll click and browse around for Apple and Books.jpg. And it asks me where I want to store the file. You have one big file destination for all the files you upload, or sometimes I like to suggest that you upload your images within another subfolder called Course Images, so that they're set apart, maybe easier to find in the future. That's completely up to you. If you just want to put them into the general folder for your course, that works too, wherever you'd like to find it in the future. You'll see a field that's called Alternative Text, and this is a field that is used by search engines to tell what is the content of this image, and also by text-to-speech readers if somebody has an alternate usage of the internet. It's a good usability principle to type in something brief and descriptive for your image. And there it is. There's our image within the flow of our module. And we can begin typing in other course content, like this module is well underway. Maybe that's only one word. I'm not sure. I'm going to click Update because we've come so far. I'd hate to lose all of our work. And we've got an image to heighten the interest and the flow within the learning material that we made available. Congratulations, all the best with adding images to your SAM pages, and if you have any questions, get in touch. I'm Patrick Ledwell, Instructional Design at Holland College.